Hi viewers, happy to show you some different type of recipes, and I'm really looking forward so that you will also try out all these recipes. Today I'm going to do prawn puffs with sauce. First of all, the prawn puffs, we will see how it is done. To do the prawn puffs, you need prawns, large prawns, at least 10. Along with that, if you like, you can have the bacon. Otherwise, you can make even the pastry and use it, but bacon will be nice. Along with that, chicken stock 1.5 cups, 2 eggs we need, and salt, pepper, chili powder, chili pieces, corn flour 1.5 teaspoon, flour 1/2 cup, and a lot of oil we need because we are going to deep fry also. So we will make the prawn puffs first of all and see how the prawn puffs come. I have cleaned the prawns, keeping half of the tail also. Like this, large prawns, you clean it and keep it ready. Turmeric is very important. Whenever you have seafood, immediately put the seasoning into that, especially the turmeric. Mix it nicely and keep aside. So take the prawns which I have already seasoned it and put the bacon in the middle, wrap it round and fasten with the toothpick. Fasten with the toothpick. Like this, you fasten with the toothpick and keep it ready. This is the first thing that I have to do it. Nicely season the prawns. Then what we do is we take this bacon around. Right. Now we have wrapped all that. With that, it's not finishing. Lot of things we have to do. Now I have to do a paste like. To do the paste, I have got 2 egg yolks which I will put into this, flour, mix it, add a little salt, chili powder, pepper, mix nicely. 2 egg yolks we have used because I am going to do the beating of 2 egg whites separately. It's like a paste you make it. It should be like a batter that you make. A thick batter. The batter is also ready. Egg whites are there. I'll put the egg whites into the bowl. And beat it. Stiffly beaten egg whites. You can beat with the beater, hand beater, Kenwood, any beater you like, but as far as you beat well or with the fork even, we can beat it. Meanwhile, I keep this ready. I will start lighting this. Oil has to be ready. Now once the egg whites are ready, stiffly beaten egg whites. Now you might be wondering why we are doing like this and what is happening now. Actually, this egg white should be beaten stiff and taken, kept in a bowl. Stiffly beaten egg whites. When the oil is hot, I am dipping the prawns in the batter. Oil is hot, dipping the prawns in the batter. Nicely dip, take it, dip in the egg white mixture and fry it. One by one, we put this into that. Something different to the normal preparation. So Dip it in the batter, then in the egg white, and then we fry it. Nicely fry this and take it. See how it gets fried. Nice golden brown. And the prawns doesn't get so long to fry also, cook also. So see, it's getting cooked very soon. Nice and golden brown, you take it. Now you dip it like this in the stiffly beaten egg white and put it in. Now you can see the color, and within 1 minute the prawn gets cooked, and inside also has got already fried and cooked very well. So we can take it off. This is the prawn puffs that we have done. We can serve with anything, but I am going to make a nice sauce for it. To make the sauce I need stock. I need a little stock separately. Stock I keep about half a cup separately, and the balance I will put into the pan and keep it ready. Along with that, now we will use, it's a brown sauce that we are going to make. So it's a stock that I have used. Salt, chili powder, chili pieces, pepper, turmeric. We add all that together. We will light the cooker and boil once. This is the brown gravy or sauce, you can call it. Separately I kept a little stock. I will add 1.5 teaspoons of corn flour. Mix it. Add to this mixture, along with that, the tomato paste, tomato sauce, not the paste. This time I am using the sauce we use, so that it will have a sweet taste also. Otherwise, if I use the tomato paste, I have to use a little sugar also. Now this is the sauce that we are making. It's called brown sauce. I have taken 1.5 cups of stock. For 1.5 cup stock, I need 1.5 teaspoons of corn flour, and rest of the ingredients, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce I used, pepper, salt, chili powder, chili pieces. Those of course to your taste we can add it, and all this we have mixed nicely, and see the sauce has become thick. Since the sauce has become thick, it will get thickened as we keep it. So it's ready. Like serve. Put it into a sauce boat. We will have a little bit of parsley in, so that it looks colorful, and you can eat this parsley also. Now how you are going to serve this is, you dip this in the sauce and you can serve it. You keep this so that you dip the prawns in the sauce and serve it. Even the parsley, you can see the parsley also. We can nicely dip the parsley and you could eat it, because parsley is also healthy. So these are the preparation that you do, and healthy food also. So you can have it like this, prawn puffs and brown sauce. It's called brown gravy, brown sauce, you can call it. You can have it with anything, either with noodles, pasta, you can have it, even with fried rice, whatever you like, you can have it, or as a tea time even, you can serve these prawn puffs.